With Bluetooth connectivity, you can pair multiple phones with your BMW. In the Mobile Devices menu, a new device can be added and paired. Please follow the instructions on the control display and your phone. Turn on Bluetooth on your mobile phone and select the vehicle with the corresponding number. Select the device on the control display and check if the subsequent number is shown on your mobile device. For the best possible experience, we recommend to allow synchronization of your phone book. This will allow you to access your contacts from the BMW Operating System 7 and via voice control. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.